years. I'm project manager at 06 Environmental. 06 is a veteran-owned company. Dan Geisler and Caleb Tufts. We do remediation, large remediation projects, pretty much anywhere in the US. So we're out here in Lafayette, Indiana, doing a remediation job, pulling contaminated soil out of a ditch. Been using the Terramacs to haul contaminated soil up. The Terramacs and the crawlers, that style is really nice, especially with tracks. The tracks help us substantially on hauling material up compared to having tires. We've been getting a lot of rain around here, and it's made a little tougher to get trucks up on the levee. And with the water, with the Terramacs, it's been able to, kind of traverse the nasty elements. Super easy controls. I like the dual hand, dual locks for the thumbs. 360 spin is really nice, easier to get into locations. Back there, we had a lot of trees. As our operators are moving down, they're able to take the same track in as they have to out. This way we can go straight in, spin, get loaded, and then straight back out.